First day exploring Marrakech. Woohoo! Go check what's going on over there. Or like oh my god! Wow! 2 times? Hi! Good morning! In Marrakech. Heading out to explore Marrakech. First thoughts about Marrakech.
Very quiet.
Very quiet. Yeah, it's not as crowded as we thought it would be. I don't know how to point the camera. Not as crowded as we thought it would be.
Yeah. Not many scams.
Not many scams. Seem to be sort of the way.
Yeah, smart.
If you're smart, you'll be fine. Yeah. What else?
Not very hot.
Not,
Like,
yeah.
I'm not sweating. Yeah.
So yeah, Marrakech so far, great.
Great.
We're gonna head out to explore and see what we find. Oh no, Marrakech is so crowded. There's so many people out on the streets. Oh no. So we are in the Jardin Majorelle.
I think it's Jardin.
Jardin.
No, Jardin is a lot, I think.
Jardin. Jardin.
It's an E.
The gardens of
Yes.
Majorelle. Super
Majorelle?
beautiful. Super green, super beautiful. Super beautiful. But we had to, you need to buy your tickets
Yeah.
ahead because we didn't do that.
Spend 1.5 hours just walking around the residential area, having
Just
coffee.
waiting. Yeah. That's nice. Hi. Yes. Great place. Just really weird. Because I don't want to run out.
No, yeah. It's fine.
We just got out of the Majorelle Gardens, and what is our verdict?
Yeah.
They were nice.
We liked them.
They
Very
were very
peaceful,
nice, yeah.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
Very blue.
I didn't introduce
green.
Emilia. Hi, Emilia.
Hello, I'm
Where
Emilia.
did we meet Emilia?
We met
Where
at
did we
the
meet?
Souks camp in
Tagasus.
Yes.
And now we were both solo traveling after Tagasus, so we both
Yeah.
came together to Marrakech, and we're exploring together today.
Yeah, and I'm leaving
Emilia's
tomorrow
leaving
morning.
So I'm going to be alone from tomorrow
Probably solo
onwards.
traveling.
Probably solo
Yeah.
traveling, but yeah.
Yeah.
So here we are, and now we are heading out
Marrakech.
for some food
Yeah,
first,
getting lunch.
and then Ben Youssef School. That is supposed to be super nice as well.
Yeah.
So that is our touristy exploring day.
Yeah. We're being very touristy today.
It's a touristy day. This spice coffee. So he said it has cinnamon, ginger, and pepper. And over there we have minty. Show us how you pour your minty, please. Oh, wow. Oh wow. Falafel. Yeah, you can go ahead. No worries.
Hello, this is my teeth back. Ben Youssef? Where are we?
We're going into Ben Youssef school. I don't really know what it is, but it said
We're studying the Quran there.
that's where they study the Quran.
Yes, they used to.
When people would come. Pictures or videos. It's always good. So I came into this riad to have some tea, because a guy I met in the hostel recommended this place, so I came here to just read and have some tea. And I ended up meeting the owner and having a whole tour guided by the owner of the place. So yeah, it's crazy. I'll let you know about it, a little bit more about it in a little bit, but it's crazy how sometimes you're in the right place at the right time, and yeah, something beautiful comes out of it. Just look at this place, it's absolutely beautiful. And there's big music from the mosque next door, playing the whole time while I was here. Bonsoir, monsieur, mademoiselle. Bonsoir.
Bienvenue à
Thank you, brother.
No, thank you. Yes, I already have a picture. Yes. Yes.
Come on, wait. Come picture with me. I've been Italian friend who has that same camp.
Yeah, I also been trying to stay riads. They're like they seem a bit youngish.